What's good, everybody? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. You already know what it is. Back to your regular scheduled program. And hopefully everybody's had a little time since my last video to get over the whole Fanatics Liz takeover thing. It seems like stuff is starting to die down, but a whole lot of questions still need to be answered about what's going on. I actually called Liz. They gave me a whole different number to call now because that call center doesn't even take orders anymore. I'm pretty sure everybody knows the old Liz number. So still a lot of stuff up in the air. Still a lot of questions to be answered about what's going on. I have noticed, I'm pretty sure you guys noticed too, they've been trying to throw a lot of sales out there, I guess, to try to make up for a lot of things. But there's a lot of companies, literally per se, throwing their hat in the ring, trying to pick up where they dropped the ball. Like Hatclub just came out of nowhere, and with their code called Access Pass, if you write it in, you get 20% off of any of their hats. Which I thought, man, that was, you know, they were playing with that smoke, and where there's smoke, there's fire. So they were throwing their hat in the ring against a competitor, you know, and I think what they were saying on their Twitter, you know, they're not like one of those big conglomerates that don't care about their customers. So basically they just threw out the little code Access Pass, which, you know, Liz Access Pass type of deal, and gave 20% off all their hats. I like it. I like when the little guy goes against the big guy. Nothing wrong with a little competition instead of trying to monopolize the whole hat game. So I'm like it. I'm here for it. I like it. You know what I'm saying? So that's just me. So with that being said, in this video, we have a pickup from Hatclub. And I also, it's funny, I have a pickup, but this is not from Hatclub. This is actually from a guy in my hat group that I'm in, 5950 Fitted Hat Lovers. I'm not really sure of the name. I'm sorry about that. But it's on Facebook. It's a Fitted Hat group. And he was doing a lot of pickups from a team store. And this hat, I've never seen it on my end. Like I said, I'm in California, so it was kind of a rarity to me. I never seen it around, and actually I'm pretty sure, I think I've seen it a couple of times online with people having it, but I've never actually seen it where I can actually pick it up in a store. But again, that's just me. So got a pickup from my hat group, actual pickup from Hatclub. So I felt that being both boxes said Hatclub on it, because I'm pretty sure he probably purchased some Hatclub too. It makes sense to make this a Hatclub video. So we're gonna get right into it, man. Stay tuned. All right, like I said, with that being said, let's get right into it with no hesitation. We're gonna get into the actual first Hatclub pickup. So this is actually my first video I'm doing since the video, and like I said, the whole, let's just call it the takeover fiasco. And funny thing about it, I still have old Liz pickups, and I do have 2 more Liz pickups pre-takeover that are coming. So I don't know about anybody else, but I haven't made any orders from them since the whole takeover thing. I gotta say, honestly, I want to place an order. Well, when I actually get a chance to look on their site now, because the site is horrible now. It's hard to filter through and actually look for stuff in your size. And I'm not the kind of person to just sit there and have to click on each individual hat just to find a size 8. Finding a size 8 is hard enough, but having to go through each and every hat to find one is just, that's not going to happen, not with me. So I'm just waiting to go actually make a purchase from there to see how it's going to go. You know, what's the shipping's going to look like now? Is it still the same? Because, I mean, if they're changing up the whole call centers, that's a lot of big changes. So, I don't know. Crazy to me. But anyway, let's get right into the first pickup. You know, receipt and everything. The description for this hat is the two-tone White Sox 1917. And as you see, actually has the Hatclub plan already stuck into it. And this hat right here was a must-have for me because, like I said, one thing with me, I buy the hats that I plan on actually rocking and wearing. And this one here, the main thing I look for is logo. This logo to me is fire. Had to have it when I seen it. It was no doubt. And I looked for this hat before on Hatclub site. They didn't have my size. Went a couple of months later, they had my size. As soon as they did, I jumped on it without a doubt. This here ran me, and actually it was on sale. It was, wow, I paid that cheap for it. Well, anyway, it says $11.99 plus with the little $4.99 shipping. So paid a little bit of 17, 18 bucks for it. And now what I like about this, there's pros and cons with every hat. Of course, I'm pretty sure if you're a hat collector, you already know what the con of this hat is. All white. So there's definitely gonna need some. It's already stuff on here from like the box, like you know, pieces of the box that's on there. But you got your New Era flag right there, as you can see, that's white. So basically this is all white on white besides the logo. I'm definitely gonna take the Hatclub pin off of there. Definitely appreciate the pin, but that's definitely coming out. Of course, you got your 8 on there, and I hate that they got that super crooked. I'm gonna see if I can carefully peel that off and put it on right. And you got your underbilling, you got your 59.50. And as you see, you got your sale, or what it was on sale for. They had it for 14 at one point. Guess they dropped it down again, trying to get rid of their stock. And luckily for me, maybe, I don't know, it looks good. I mean, it looks like maybe it was a return, because like I said, I looked on here before, tried to find the 8 and they didn't have it unless they sent some stock back from their store, but who knows. But there's no MOB on the back. This is straight up old school. All it has is the New Era flag, white on white. So that's all you're getting. You got your navy button on the top. So again, you got your white socks. What year is this from? No, 1917. So pretty sure back then they wasn't throwing MLB logos and all that on the back. So I guess they stayed true to the script. But yeah, before this even goes into hiatus in the collection, definitely gonna put some protector on this. So that's the first pickup. Now this one here, like I said, this was a must-have from my guy in my shoe group. As you see, without putting his address on here, from Roman Torres, shout out to him. Good business. And it's funny, we were trying to get it together to get it shipped out sooner, because I've actually been had this hat. I'm just throwing it on with this hat that I just got from Hatclub, but I've had this hat for a little while. Actually, if you seen my video with my Jordan 9s that I got, the Dream It, Do It shoes and all that, I purchased it from him around that same time, literally while I was on my mini vacation out in Vegas. Like, I literally did the whole transaction when I was out there. He was good with it as soon as I did it. He already had one for me boxed up. Again, shout out to him. We'll be doing business with him again when he comes across something that I'm interested in my size. So definitely shout out to Roman Torres. Well, without showing this information. But anyway, good looking out, my boy. So we're going to get into this one. Of course, I already know what it is. You know what I mean? Being I bought it from him. So that was cool. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. He threw in some gift packets on here. Looks like we got a Nike racing bag. That was cool of him. You know what I'm saying? Most people, you know, you do business with them, they just give you what you're getting. He actually put together a little mini care package. And this is cool when you actually go to the gym, throw some stuff in here. So this will definitely be getting some use. Definitely appreciate the bag. Oh, okay. And he kept the New Era envelope in here. Of course, you know, if you're a hat collector, you got a bunch of these. And he just put some stickers in here. That definitely will be getting some use. Definitely appreciate the Jumpman sticker. Just threw some little things in here. You know what I mean? Definitely appreciate it. Always appreciate it. Now, let's get to the hat. See, that's good business. I like that. Put it in the bag so it don't get damaged. Now, I don't know a lot of history on this hat, but me personally, I just had to have it. Comment down below if you got a little history on the hat. I know he follows the channel. If you could, my guy, if you get on here, throw a little history down about the hat. But here you go, 45s. Pretty sure it stands for Colt 45s, because the one thing that made me really have to have this out, check it out. That underbill right there, love it. This is definitely going to easily, just because of this underbill, move into my top 10 hats. This underbill is definitely going to do that. And I like how the 45 looks. If you look kind of close, this is not white. It's more like a dull off silver. You know what I mean? I guess maybe it's supposed to be like for silver bullets. And if you see, the New Era is like the shiny silver also. And then the back is like, I want to say it's an MLB logo, but it just looks, different. You know what I mean? It just looks really different. And this is part, just looking in here, if you look under the hat here, it's part of the Cooperstown collection. You got your New Era tag, your size 8, of course. So this is part of the Cooperstown collection, but this hat is dope. So you got the silver top. So like I said, this is more like a silver, off silver lettering. But yeah, man, definitely appreciate you coming through for your boy on this with this size 8. easily, like I said, because of you, easily moves into the top 10. This underbill is classic, bro. Like, I'm loving this underbill. Like, it's to the point to where this hat is so cool. Like, I want to wear it, but then I want to keep it pristine. Like, if I can, I probably will hit them up to see if I can get 2 of them, just to have one to literally just keep and then one to literally just wear. Like, I'm really feeling it that much. So thank you very much. Definitely dope. Definitely appreciate the good business. And recently, like I said, I just met him in the hat group. Took a shot in the dark. I see he made good with a lot of his other orders. So like I said, I just took a shot, and hey, it's just good people out there in the world, man, you can do business with. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people will say they done things like that and they went sour, but my guy's legit. Definitely gonna drop a link to this video in the Facebook hat group so people can check it out, so if they want to do business with him. Guy does good business, fast business. From the point, I believe we did our transaction on Saturday. I believe I got my hat, I want to say maybe Wednesday-ish, almost as early as Tuesday, Wednesday, or something like that. So, yeah, definitely good business, man. But yeah, I had to have this Colt 45s. Definitely top 10 in the collection just because of that. I keep showing, this is dope. This is just dope to me. Had to do it. So those are the pickups, man. Hatclub pickups, and this one he actually got from the team store, I believe. Got your Chicago White Sox, your Colt 45s. That's the 2 pickups for the day. Like I said, I got the 2 newer things from Liz, the last thing I ordered. I actually had them sent to store, so I got to go pick those up. And I want to get that video done and out the way. I still have a lot of stuff I got to do. I've just been really behind, so bear with me. But I really want to get that video out the way because it may be my last purchase from Liz. May not be. I'm not sure. Like, honestly, you know, I can say that like, oh, will I order again? But, I mean, I really don't know. I'm on the fence about it because I'm really already leaning to the negative, not redoing my access pass. So, I mean, we'll see, man. Because, I mean, right now, they're really not giving me a lot to work with to where I need an access pass. You know what I mean? It's right now, it's looking like it's just not worth it to me. So, but we'll see. Like they said, they're saying, wait for this changeover. Let's see how it works out. Oh, they got a new rewards thing coming. So we'll see, man. That's where I'm at with it right now. So that's all I can say. But you're seeing the pickups. You got your Hatclub White Sox. My boy Roman Torres with the Colt 45. That's the pickups for the day, man. You already know what it is. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoy. And like I said, anybody got any info about this hat, make sure you drop it below because I always love learning new things, especially if I don't know about it. So if anybody else may be interested in it, you can drop them some information below. So I definitely appreciate y'all. Definitely appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. And I'm going to the next one. I'm going to holler.